Okay, in this part of the video we're going to work on the answer section. So what is the capital of England? Very easy, that one. We could write London and it will allow us to put that. But what happens if someone writes London and spells it wrong? They would get no marks for that, and it's a little bit harsh, especially if it's a young person using it. So we're going to try and make it a little bit easier for them. So we're going to click on here, we're going to go data validation, and we're going to choose list. And then we're going to put all our answers in. So we're going to put Liverpool as one option. I'm going to put a comma, and I'll explain that in a minute. I'm going to put London with a comma, and I'm going to put Birmingham with a comma. Okay, now why do I do that? Every time you put a comma, it puts the answers on a new line. So if I didn't put that comma on there, it would say Liverpool, London, Birmingham, and that would all be one answer, which makes no sense. So you put a comma there. If you need to get back to it again, just click on data validation and it'll bring it all up again. Okay, so at the moment I know that I need to select something from the list. What we are going to do is I'm going to go back to data validation and I'm going to put an input message in to give them a clue. Please choose from the list. Now when I'm on this cell, it gives me a little hint here, which is great. I'm also going to put a lock on to stop them making errors. So if someone puts this, it kind of comes up with this, and it doesn't really, it basically tells them that what they're choosing isn't in the list, and these are really easy to make. So all we're going to do is we're going to go back to data validation, and we're going to go error alert, and I've just typed in here what you've entered is not in the list, or please try again, whatever you want it to say. Okay, and just click OK, and that now should change. So if I put that in there, they are please try again. So that way they can't get it wrong. They can only choose the right answers that I've given them, and obviously they can't type their own thing in. So that'll make your quiz a lot more user friendly.